Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is hot money. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Concerns are being raised about potential volatility from foreign fund inflows, that is hot money, following India's inclusion in JP Morgan's Emerging Market Debt Index. Now let's understand what is hot money. Hot money refers to highly liquid funds that are swiftly moved between financial markets to exploit short-term profit opportunities. It encompasses capital that is actively traded and can be quickly shifted based on changes in interest rates, exchange rates, or other market conditions. Now moving on to characteristics of hot money. High liquidity. Hot money assets are easily convertible into cash or other forms of investment without significant loss of value. Short holding periods. Investors typically hold hot money for brief durations ranging from days to weeks rather than long-term investments. Seeking short-term returns. The primary goal of hot money investors is to capitalize on immediate profit opportunities such as interest rate differentials, currency fluctuations, or temporary market inefficiencies. Responsive to market dynamics. Hot money flows are sensitive to changes in economic indicators, policy decisions, and market sentiment, leading to rapid movements in and out of markets. Now let's discuss about implications of hot money. Market volatility. Hot money flows can contribute to heightened volatility in financial markets, leading to abrupt fluctuations in asset prices and exchange rates. Economic stability risk. While hot money injections can stimulate economic activity and provide liquidity, they also pose risk to financial stability, especially in emerging markets with less developed regulatory frameworks. And policy challenges. Central banks and policy makers face challenges in managing hot money inflows and outflows as they strive to balance the benefits of capital mobility with the need to maintain economic stability. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the hot money. 1. Hot money is held for brief durations ranging from days to weeks. 2. Hot money flows can contribute to heightened volatility in financial markets. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.